This is an example from a homework assignment. They had to do a relay race and then a scavenger hunt. Here is the scavenger hunt paper where they showed their work. So essentially, they had to simplify the expression and find it at the top of another one of the answers. So when they went to grade the homework, they had to match up that the bus took you to the pencil. And this is an example of where I have uploaded copies of my work shown, kind of a visual think aloud of how I simplified each one of these expressions with my different steps. Again, if you'd like to pause and take a look at how it was done, I used my Rocket Notebook, which is a simple way to upload notes digitally that you take by hand into Google Drive. Just another way to get that Tier 3 targeted interventions to students when they are not available to you individually one-on-one. You can still give them support by uploading your work for them to use.